This video will demonstrate how to install the Leviton T5320, T5820, Decora T5325, Decora T5825, and Renu RAR15 and RAR20 tamper-resistant receptacles. Please be certain to follow all instructions and diagrams provided with the product. If you're unsure about any part of the instructions or you're not comfortable or familiar with working with electrical wiring, contact an electrician. When installing and terminating this Leviton device, have the following tools on hand: a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, electrician's pliers, a wire stripper, electrical tape, and a handheld voltage tester. Installation takes approximately 15 minutes. The process shown follows general guidelines. Local codes take precedence. Be sure to turn the power off at the circuit breaker and use a voltage tester to ensure that the power is completely off. Now, we need to identify the hot wire. To do this, turn the circuit breaker back on. Carefully use the voltage tester to test each wire. The hot wire will be indicated by the tester. Once identified, turn off the circuit breaker to shut power and test to ensure the power is off. Use a small piece of electrical tape to label the hot wire. Note that for separate feed conversion only, our receptacle is provided with a break-off tab located between the two brass terminal screws. If you want to have the top outlet and the bottom outlet controlled by two different circuits, remove the break-off tab before wiring by using a standard flathead screwdriver. Simply bend the fin until it breaks off. In this example, there is one black wire, which is the hot, a white wire, which is the neutral, and a bare copper wire, which is the ground. Keep in mind, the color of the wires may vary. The hot wire may be black or red. The ground wire may be green or bare copper. If you're unsure, contact an electrician. Next, you need to be sure that the wires are prepared for installation. Start by making sure the wires are straight and stripped according to the strip gauge located on the back of the device. To side wire, first loop the hot wire clockwise 3/4 of a turn around the brass screw. Tighten firmly. Next, loop the neutral wire clockwise 3/4 of a turn around the silver-colored screw. Tighten firmly. Finally, loop the ground wire clockwise 3/4 of a turn around the green screw. Tighten firmly. These devices may also be quick-wired. To do this, insert the straight 14-gauge solid copper wires into the round quick-wire holes corresponding to the terminal screws. Quick-wire terminals accept 14-gauge solid copper wires only. For circuits with 12-gauge solid copper or copper-clad wires, use terminal screws instead. The device is now terminated. Carefully position all wires to provide room in the wall box for the device. Mount the device in the wall box with the mounting screws provided. Attach the wall plate. Restore power at the circuit breaker. To test the installation, plug a lamp or appliance into the receptacle and turn it on. The lamp or appliance should work. If the lamp or appliance does not work properly, refer to the troubleshooting section of the instructions. Your Leviton device is now ready for use.